So last night, the hubs and I were getting ready for bed, and I hear him yell from the bathroom because he's reading something on his phone. That's how he rolls. And he goes, "Oh my God, they've discovered your anus smells like farts." Thank you. Okay guys, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. I'm still amused by the fact that my husband says that your anus smells like farts. So, Emily Noel said, what 10 thing, did a video on what 10 things would you buy? Well, you know, in case of, to rebuild your collection. Well, I kind of did my spin on that and I said, oh my God, makeup emergency. Well, guys, we are doing, I need a prop. We're doing that, but we're using what's in our collection, and we're doing higher end things today. More than, oh my God, makeup emergency. We're saying, what would I do if I was rebuilding? Well, when I started, I didn't know how to do full glam. Hell, I'm here and talking in a room alone, talking to a camera. I'm not 100% sure. I still know. I don't think I know how to do full glam. So I'm gonna go with, hey, what do I do to make myself work every day? You know. Okay, so today we are gonna go in. We went in with the IT CC cream. Your skin but better. And this has an SPF of 50. Some people it works great for. Some people, they may have some issues, skin issues. It may not work for them, but it works for me, damn it. And I'm a big fan. Now, the next thing I did is because I do like to contour. I love bronzing, contouring, and everything. But I knew that I wanted to get something that was kind of like a two for one kind of deal. Like, you can pretty much contour with anything. But I went through my collection and I found the Tarte Clay Play. And guys, this is upside down. I bought this on a weekly wow back in like October. But what's great about this is it's an eyeshadow palette. But it also does contour. What I like about this is it does have a cool tone contour. And then a couple others. It is a little more inclusive. It is, if you're using it for bronzing, and it works. But what's great about it is everything in here is eye safe and flipping around. Now, Tarte has come out with Clay Play 2, which has a blush in it. I don't have that one. I have the Clay Play 1. That's good enough. But I do like blush. And so, I have another Tarte blush. This is in the color Risque. So, I used it. You do need a mascara. I'm using one that I have open, which is a Maximum Lashes Defining and Lengthening Matte Mascara from Ulta, because that's what's open. But I also have a lip gloss. This is also a spring look, because it's spring. And it was easy, but mostly it was spring. And so I went ahead and I put on a lip gloss from Buxom called Sugar. I will go ahead and do a quick swatcheroo. I'm not very good at swatches, and I'm having some issues with my hand not doing what I need it to do. So yeah, there's the swatch. It's a plumping gloss, but so it's basically your lips with a little bit of shine. But hey guys, it works, right? So simple. Oh, this is my simple look. right, guys. Well, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.